How to post video on Instagram, not reel. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To post a video on your Instagram and not a reel, start off by launching your Instagram application in your mobile device. Now right in here, make sure to sign in into your Instagram account if you have not yet. Once you are signed in, to post a video, tap on the plus sign icon that is at the bottom. From here, make sure you do not switch to the reel section and just tap on your preferred video. Then click on the next icon. Right over here, you can just edit your video, that is add sound, sticker or text. Then click on the next option. Over here, you can type in a caption and hashtag so that the audience can have better reach to your Instagram video. After you have done with all of the settings, just tap on the share button. However, this video can be uploaded both in your feed and in the reel section of your Instagram. But in general, this is actually your Instagram video and not a reel, since it will have a different ratio. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.